do gardening together. Now, Dania, me and you have done so many things, so many activities. Gardening probably wasn't one of them. But I love gardening. Don't you, Habibti? See, like gardening not only stimulates the motor skills of the child, but actually it kind of gives the child a sense of belonging to nature, because it will allow your child to get dirty, their hands and fingers dirty with the mud, with the trees, with the grass, with even insects. Right now, just now we saw the centipede. Not human centipede, Daniel. Not human centipede, but the normal centipede, okay?
Human centipede.
Really? Okay. So, Dania, okay, I'm thinking that today we do since we're doing gardening, I'm thinking that first of all we remove all these bushes. Habibti, what do you think? Okay. Okay, baby. Sit down, baby. Sit down. Now, do you know how to remove a bush? You just have to. You know how to remove a bush? Just how to grab it from a bit firm, and then it will just pop up like this. You see? But no. Just grab it from the root. Bit more. Deeper. Yes. Then slowly, Habib. Exactly. See, there you go. There you go, baby. Okay. So all the bushes, we're gonna just put them over there. Okay. So that's the whole point, that you want to engage with an activity with your child that is hands-on, and there's nothing more hands-on than actually gardening. Gardening can take many shapes and forms. Beautiful, baby, beautiful. We still have these bushes. It can be in the form of plucking out bushes, or maybe mixing up the soil, or cutting out the grass, or whatever it is, Habibti. Maybe later, baby, we can cut up the grass in front. It's a bit long. What are you doing, Daddy? What are you doing, Habibti? And then later, after we finish this, then we can do our swimming pool. The pool will be here, and the house will be here. Is that okay, baby? Okay. Now.
So that's so cool.
And I'm thinking, baby, there's a kind of like a garden nearby KL that I'm thinking to bring you over there, that we can go and water the plants and even pluck some fruits and all that. Are you interested, baby?
And then we can eat the food?
Hell yeah!
Hell poo.
Hell yeah, okay. Where is your hairband? Where's your hairband? Okay, so what is the shape of the house what is the shape of the house? Habibti, please no. I just told you, Habibti, did this. What is the shape of the house that you want me to do?
It's
Maybe
square.
A square, okay. And your swimming pool is what?
A circle.
Okay, so it's all about teamwork, right? You do things together, you plan things together, and you just execute them properly. Yes. Please. Okay, yeah, okay. So, baby, let's wrap up this episode. What do you want to tell them, like you always do? Look at the camera.
One of the best ways to bond with your child is do gardening together.
High five, Habibti. No! Here's the shovel, baby, because on the shovel you can. So what I'll do is I make it in the form of a square. Use the shovel a bit. You make it a bit deeper because the seed needs a bit of a depth. Yeah, this is how you do it. You press it with your leg here. Then it's just so Habibti. What is it? Okay. What else? done, can you give me some soil?
Okay.
Yeah. Here, baby, it's a bit on my side. Yeah, okay. I think that's your hole a bit. The third one is a bit here, maybe. This one needs a bit of a. And then we'll do okay. No, baby, don't. No need. Just take from there. Take from there. There are plenty. All right. Yeah, you see? Perfect. Okay, I'll wash it. See the cat? Good cat, حبيبتي. يلا. Touch the cat. Good cat. Cat.
Wow. You love the cat?
Where cat داني حبيبتي لا تروحين. See the cat likes you? Good girl. Not too big, حبيبتي, not too big. Okay, now what we do after we kind of make it a bit, we give it some shape, some texture, around, yeah. Like this, yeah. Ah, exactly, yes. And then you like this. Ah. Yes, exactly. Perfect. Right? Look at you. Nice. Okay. Okay, mine is okay. Yeah, exactly. Then I'm gonna just mix it around.